वेल नमस्ते दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आज के फेस्टिव कंटेंट में। फाइनली फेस्टिव सीजन आ गया है एंड दिस इज योर टाइम टू स्प्लर्ज सम मनी इफ आई मे, बिकॉज मेरे पास कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं विच आई ऑनेस्टली फील कि ये फेस्टिव सीजन में आपके पास ज़रूर होने चाहिए। दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर वर्थ एवरी पेनी। आपको भी इस फेस्टिव सीजन को थोड़ा और एक्स्ट्रा स्पेशल करना है बाय इंडल्जिंग इनटू सम अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स दैट इज गोइंग टू मेक योर लाइफ so much easy. Then please keep on watching. Let's go. To start off with, let's start with the basics. एक अच्छा आउटफिट, बिकॉज फेस्टिव सीजन मतलब अभी नवरात्रि, दिवाली पार्टीज, ऑफिस पार्टी, हाउस पार्टी, इतनी सारी फंक्शंस अभी होने वाला है ना, दैट यू नीड टू हैव दैट एक्स्ट्रा इंडियन आउटफिट रेडी which you just never know when you might need, and I feel this one that I'm wearing right now is perfect. ये ना ज़्यादा ओवर द टॉप है, ना ज़्यादा अंडर ड्रेस्ड है, ये परफेक्ट है। मतलब मैं ऑफिस में भी इसको पहन के जा सकती हूँ, मैं हाउस पार्टी में भी जा सकती हूँ। एट द सेम टाइम जो मैंने कलर इस आइटम का लिया है वो भी इतना सुंदर है कि ये डे एंड नाइट दोनों के लिए परफेक्ट है। बाय द वे, आई गॉट दिस फ्रॉम मीशो एंड दिस इज अ फाइन विच आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल बाय ऑनलाइन, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स जस्ट दैट वन पीस कि ये सब पे अच्छा दिखता है। लाइक आपका कुछ भी बॉडी टाइप हो सकता है एंड यू विल रॉक दिस। एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज इसमें इतने कलर्स थे यू गाइज, एंड इसके साथ एक चुन्नी भी आती है जो बहुत सुंदर है, बट ऑफ कोर्स मुझे वो अभी मिल नहीं रही है जब मुझे ज़रूरत थी। बट या नॉनदलेस इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल अनारकली। विद दैट बीइंग सेड, अगर आप इंडियन आउटफिट्स पहन रहे हो तो ऑफ कोर्स आपको अच्छे खासे भरे भक्कम इंडियन एक्सेसरीज भी पहननी चाहिए। वो डेंटी वाले एक्सेसरीज ना अपने वेस्टर्न वेयर पे ही अच्छे लगते हैं। सो डेफिनेटली लाइक इंडल्ज इनटू लाइक these fun funky earrings. I got these from Delhi, then I got this from a local market. Very honestly, I used to love going for facials just for the experience, but अभी टाइम भी नहीं होता, and very honestly like अगर मैं कुछ घर पे कर सकती हूँ तो why should I spend 1,000-2,000 in one setting when I can get products worth that money and do it multiple times at home. And oh my god, this product right here from the house of Foxtail, absolutely amazing, like a game changer, and this is like facial in a bottle. If you don't know about this already, ये काफ़ी viral हो चुका है, and this is my friend the Foxtail Skin Radiant Mask. I absolutely love this. This is a purple clay mask and I from a dry skin type. तो clay mask and मेरा तो 36 का आंकड़ा होना चाहिए, but somehow with this product, first of all when you apply, एक बहुत हल्का सा cooling tingling sensation होता है, तो दिल में ऐसा लगता भी है कि यार this product is actually working. ये ना ऐसा कड़क नहीं हो जाता चेहरे पे, which I think is so cool, because generally clay mask का क्या होता है कि बहुत कड़क हो जाता है if you let it dry for longer, but with this one you can keep it for 10 minutes, you can keep it for 15, 1 hour, depends on you. Generally I like to keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and then I wash it off, and oh my god, I love my skin. Every time I have like a big event, I like to either use this in the night or I will wake up in the morning before my shower, I'll use this. It's festive season, you gotta glow baby, you gotta glow, and of course I'm gonna recommend you this gorgeous beauty right here. This is from the house of Mars, is their Lumi base, and I'm in the shade 01 Gold Beam. It's a beautiful stroke cream sort of a situation. However, I will not recommend you कि आप इसको as is लगाओ, because ये ना बहुत ज़्यादा चंकी लग सकता है. You need to put foundation या फिर some kind of base on top of this. I'm not the biggest fan of its packaging because I mean, can you see like इसमें काफ़ी लीकेज भी है, but regardless if I'm to give you like a swatch, can you see like एक तो ये इतना easily effortlessly blend हो जाता है आपकी स्किन में. Give it like 30 seconds, ये ना थोड़ा sticky हो जाता है. So definitely I feel it's a good like a beginner friendly primer. It's not the most natural looking glow, but oh my god, underneath the foundation this is Chummeshwari if I may. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. They have different shades option as well. I think a gold and a bronze one. So depending on your skin tone, you can definitely opt for these, and it's absolutely amazing. Moving forward, base तो यार बहुत important होता है ना. I don't know what is it with festive season. Like every time I decide कि आज मैं आराम से तैयार होंगी, उसी दिन मेरे को एक तो ऑफिस से लेट होगा या फिर घर में कुछ टंटा होगा, and eventually I am late. Just somehow I'm late and I don't like to be late. So like considering all of that, this beauty right here is from the house of Swiss Beauty. Is their foundation stick. Now this is a direct, like an absolute direct dupe of the Makeup Revolution foundation stick, which I adored. I loved it, but I think वो वाली कुछ 800 या 900 रुपए की थी, and then I saw this and I just wanted to see because I think ये 200-300 रुपए की है and trust me कोई difference नहीं है. First of all, the shade in this is 05 beige. I love how travel friendly this is and like can you see मैंने इसे कितना use किया है, like there's hardly anything left. Like this is just my ride or die product and the fact that it is so inexpensive now, like I just absolutely love it. It's so easy to blend. आपको easily इसको एक brush के साथ blend कर सकते हो या फिर even एक beauty blender के साथ blend कर सकते हो. The sky is your limit, like you know, you can easily work around with this product. That is how amazing this is. Again, the shade range I think is very decent, very nice, so absolutely love it. So if you're looking out for a really nice affordable base, look no further girl, this is the one. Now depending on your skin concerns and what kind of coverage you are looking for, the foundation stick is a beautiful medium coverage. However, अगर आप उसको build up करने की कोशिश करो तो शायद से केकी लग सकता है. So in case depending on your skin concerns, if you want something that is a bit more fuller coverage and that I approve for festive season, then this is the concealer for you guys. This is the concealer for you. This is from the house of L'Oreal. This is their infallible concealer and boy am I in love with this. Because first of all, like the whole infallible range आपको पता है, it's known for its longevity, it's known for its shade range. It's just beautiful. Love the doe foot applicator and yeah, like this is the shade. It's a very beautiful neutral undertone. ये ना ज़्यादा orange है ना ज़्यादा yellow है. It's just perfecto, like it's perfecto. It has the perfect amount of gray, perfect amount of yellow at the same time. Like I am absolutely in awe of this shade. Again, the shade match so beautiful that I actually like to go ahead and conceal my under eye circles. मुझे कभी dark circles नहीं थे, but this adulting is coming at me guys. It's coming at me very strong. Going forward यार, festive season है, इतना तामझाम होता है, कभी कभी relatives के यहाँ पे जाना होता है, ऑफिस में तैयारी करनी होती है. Because I don't know ऑफिस वालों को क्या मजा आता है, दिन में तुमसे काम करवाएंगे, शाम में बोलेंगे नहीं ऑफिस पार्टी है एंड तुमको तैयार होके लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल के लिए अच्छे से पोस्ट करना है. लाइक व्हाट इज दिस प्रेशर, लाइक डोंट टेल मी आई एम द ओनली वन. बट विद दैट बीइंग सेड दो, आई लाइक टू हैव प्रोडक्ट्स जो लाइक यू नो आप इजीली कैरी कर सकते हो. एट द सेम टाइम एक आइटम में ना 3-4 काम हो जाए, मल्टीटास्किंग काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. एंड ऑनेस्टली आई कुड नॉट थिंक ऑफ एनीथिंग बेटर देन दिस वन. दिस इज फ्रॉम द हाउस ऑफ मार्स. इज देयर दिल्ली वाला पैलेट एंड दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सो प्रिटी. आपको इतने सारे ब्यूटीफुल आई शैडोज मिलते हैं. बहुत अच्छा रेंज है यहाँ पे मैट्स का, शिमर्स का, एंड यू डू गेट सम कलर्स एट द सेम टाइम. लाइक यू गेट दिस ब्यूटीफुल lilac, this blue and even this gold. This gold is exactly what I have on my eyelids and literally I just had to like one swipe and I was done. Like I was done. I didn't have to do too much, didn't have to think too much. At the same time, the matte in here is what I've used to like you know blow out my lower lash line and just give it that oomph if I may. And yeah, like the colors in here are very pretty. Like can you see, that is bomb. Like oh my god. I'm also going to give you like a quick swatch of the lilac one. Like do you see that? It is pretty, it is gorgeous. Even the mattes in here are just, you did not see that coming now, did ya? I'm not the biggest fan of the highlighter, but it's not bad. It's what I have on my face right now. But you know what? The base really helped to even like you know amplify the subtle highlighter that this one is. So yeah, it's a very very beautiful palette. यहाँ पे आपको bronzer, blush, highlighter, compact सब कुछ मिल जाता है. So like you know you just have to like pack this and just you are good to go. With that being said, I am a lip and cheek tint girly. Like I love them, and very honestly for the longest time because I was not filming content, I wasn't very active, this lip and cheek tint was my only go-to one. And can you see मैंने इसको कितना use किया है. This is from the house of Earth Rhythm and I absolutely love it. एक तो मैंने इसको duo में खरीदा था 50 off में, and like I just don't feel the need to try something else because I absolutely love how this performs. This is an absolutely amazing lip and cheek tint. This is a very long lasting one. At the same time it blends very beautifully. So overall I am just like a big fan of this, and if you are looking out for like a trusty lip and cheek tint, you definitely have to go for this one. Moving forward with the eyes, oh my god, like a good mascara, because like किसके पास time है falsies के लिए? मेरे पास तो नहीं, मेरे पास patience भी नहीं है. But then I came across this beauty and oh my god, I see the hype. I see the hype for this, and this, if you did not recognize already, is from the house of Fenty Beauty and is their Hella Thick Mascara. absolutely love it. It is so volumizing, so lengthening. At the same time, it literally separates my lashes. Like it separates. It has that perfect formula. You know, जो जब भी आप नया मस्कारा खरीदते हो तो फिर बहुत गीला होता है, फिर आपको थोड़ा उसको सूखने देना पड़ता है, and then that perfect consistency, this is already that. And the only thing is आपको थोड़ा इसको सूखने का टाइम देना पड़ेगा. Like you know, once you apply this, you can't like start blinking या फिर I don't know like looking around, because it does move a little. Which I mean, yeah, that is the biggest con. Like you have to be careful. But for what it does, and okay, despite of how amazing this is, it does not rip my lashes off when I remove it. And like that is everything that I can ask for a mascara to be. So I am really in love with this. And if you are looking out for like a high-end mascara, this is the one, guys. This is the one. Since we're talking about Fenty, if I may, continuing forward, I have another product from the house of Fenty Beauty, and it's their Hella Bomb Heat. And boy, this color is gorgeous. It is so beautiful, and it says heat. I don't know if it's supposed to plump by any means. It doesn't plump, but it gives that tingling sensation, which is so fun. It is like something I know for a fact I enjoy, and this is what the color on its own looks like. I am currently wearing like a lip liner, and I just topped it off with this. That effect is not very sticky. Like right now also I applied it. You can keep touching up on this, you can keep reapplying this. It feels very comfortable on the lips. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels like nothing, very honestly. But at the same time, the shine, the gloss, it's there again because it's a gloss. It's not the most long lasting one out there, but it's too good to skip, you know. So if you have the budget for this, please go ahead and get this. इतना भी तामझाम कर लो. If you are not smelling good, you are not doing it right, girl. You are not doing it right. And for that, it is very important to pick your favorite perfume for this festive season. For me, I am definitely indulging in this one right here. It's from the house of Miniso, and it is their Sea Mist. As you can see, I've used quite a bit of this, and I just really enjoy this. It feels very summery, it feels very aqua, it's very unisex. So like, you know, if I'm sharing my perfume with my brother or a friend, like, you know, I just know this is the kind of perfume everybody would be okay. Nobody would find this nauseating by any means. So yeah, I really enjoy aqua kind of scents. They are not floral, they are not fruity, they are just aqua, the greyest of the variant of them all, if I may. So yeah, I really enjoy this, and this also lasts very long. If you want more perfume या फिर body mist recommendations, मैंने एक actually बहुत सुंदर सा video किया इसके ऊपर. I will leave a link for that in the description and up on the screen. Well, you guys, just like that, it's a wrap for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification so that you're updated every time I'm online. You can also follow me on my social media. The links are down below, and I really hope you had a blast during this festive season, and I will see you very soon. Bye.